Hello, house community. My name is Kristen Heimstra, and today we're going to be discussing 10 things that homeowners look for when hiring a renovation professional. What is it about a website or a house profile that compels a homeowner to reach out? What elements give a homeowner confidence to then hire that professional? Let's discuss the 10 criteria that homeowners use to judge professionals and how you can demonstrate that you can meet their needs. Tip number 1, make sure that your area served and services provided are clearly defined. List all of the different services that you offer, as well as the locations that you're willing to do business. This will help to give clarity to the homeowner to better understand if you're able to meet the basic needs of their project. Tip number 2, reviews. Homeowners want to read client reviews before reaching out. So collect as many positive reviews as possible to show homeowners what a great client experience you offer. Tip number 3, photos. Homeowners want to see photos of your completed projects, so post photos of projects you've worked on as well as before photos to highlight the full transformation. Tip number 4, list your licensing and certification. Show homeowners that you're a legitimate home remodeling professional and meet any necessary local or state regulations. You can also detail out what types of work your certification allows you to do. Tip number 5, show off all the publicity that you received. Highlight everywhere that your work has been featured. This will help to add another level of credibility with your potential clients. Tip number 6, do you offer any guarantees for your work? If so, talk about it. Describe any guarantees that you offer or promote product warranties to help reassure homeowners that their investment is safe with you. Tip number 7, add descriptions to your photos. This way, homeowners can better understand what solutions you provided for that project. Tip number 8, homeowners want to better understand cost. So, add your price range to the typical job cost section of your house profile, as well as to each individual project. Tip number 9, homeowners want to know that you have a strong connection to the industry. So, add collaborators to your projects and write reviews for your fellow colleagues. Okay, everyone, we made it to tip number 10. Homeowners want to know that they're working with someone who's responsive and a great communicator. So make sure that you have someone available to answer the phone during all business hours and respond to emails promptly. Thank you for joining me today. Now more than ever, homeowners are doing their research before reaching out to a professional to hire. So make sure to follow these tips and showcase that you're the right pro for the job. To learn more, visit house.com/pro.